Hi, my name is Bruce Johnson. I live in Madison, Wisconsin, and I have a Tesla Model X. Now, you know, that's not so weird anymore. Lots of people have Model X's. But what people don't know is that the Model X is the only electric car you can buy that comes standard with a trailer hitch. And what do you do with a trailer hitch? Why, you tow Campy McCampface, the foam-based camper that I built myself. Let's take a tour. Well, this is half of Campy, and Ben's sitting in the other half. It's basically a tent you don't have to pitch. It's got a solid roof. It's literally made of construction foam. See right there on the screen? That's what the walls were made like before I put them on the camper itself. And then they're covered with canvas and glue and latex paint. The entirety of this camper weighs 1,000 pounds, which is about a good weight to tow with a Tesla. It's so light you don't need to have trailer brakes, which is nice. And of course we've got the IKEA dog tails on the side for hanging your hat on.
Pretty spacious in here, Bruce. I have lots of headroom.
This is called a crouchy. You can't stand up in it, but you don't have to sit on the floor like you do in a
like a teardrop.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, this trailer is as tall as it is because this is the height that my garage will allow me to have. Unlike Ben's garage, which is the garage I wanted all the time.
Yeah, but you beat me to solar panels.
Oh, only by about 9 years. So, yes. Welcome to Campy McCampface.